Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at Menards, here in Freeport, Illinois. And look what we got over here. We got a ThyssenKrupp. Well, they'll replace the buttons. Good too. And it takes a million years to level. That's lovely. That's lovely too. Look at you. It's a very nice elevator.
It's smooth.
Yeah. They even replaced these buttons because, you know, these buttons don't hold up that well. These newer traditional buttons. And it takes a million years to level. There's the indicator. There's like no certificate in this thing. Those are buttons there. Traditional with MAD. BP, I think. 4500. It takes a million years to level. I guess that is going to be it for me.